Stockholm gewonnen mit dem Lied 1944. Sie ist jetzt mit dem Einmarsch der russischen Truppen in die Ukraine selbst aus Kiew geflogen. Und mit uns ist Jamala, live from Istanbul. Jamala, nice to see you. Schön, dich zu sehen. Thanks so much for joining us today. Vielen Dank.
Berlin. Thank you so much.
Danke, dass du heute da bist. Thank you so much for joining us. Jamala, I know the situation for you is really tough, but can you explain to us how is the music helping you right now in these times of conflict, in these times of war? Wie hilft dir momentan die Musik in diesen Zeiten des Krieges und des Konflikts?
Oh, really, it's really hard to explain. It's a full-scale war against Ukraine in my home in this minute. But talking about music, every artist has an audience. Every artist has a voice. That is our strongest weapon. Musicians around the world helping with the charity shows, donation, giving interviews and posting online on support of Ukraine. It's a huge help and we are so grateful for that. I'm so grateful to German for your help. It's really needed.
Thank you, Jamala. Sie hat gerade gesagt, dass natürlich viele Künstlerinnen und Künstler sich dafür einsetzen, aber dass es auch notwendig ist, mit gemeinsamer Stimme zu sprechen. Jamala, I'm just translating your answer and of course my questions, just to let you know. Dear Jamala, how powerful is music right now for you to speak up for peace? Wie kraftvoll kann die Musik auch sein, um für den Frieden zu sprechen und aufzustehen?
I think if all the musicians united, and it would be the strongest peace armies in the world. Millions of people would follow them. Music is peaceful force, and that is what we need so badly today. Because war is destroying the most valuable things on the earth, and human lives and dreams, and again and again. Imagine all that people live in life and peace.
Sie sagt, wir sollen uns vorstellen, wenn alle Menschen in Frieden leben, was das für eine Friedensarmee auch sein kann, diese Kraft der Musik, das sie angesprochen hat, wie kraftvoll da auch das Aufstehen von den Künstlerinnen und Künstlern ist, sich für den Frieden musikalisch zu äußern. Jamala, we are here at Berlin's Brandenburg Gate, a very famous spot in Berlin. What a message.
Wonderful place, yeah.
I know, it's very touching. Thanks for joining us again. What message of peace, for a sound of peace, would you as an artist like to spread here to the audience watching you right now, listening to your words? What is your message from Istanbul, where you're based right now, to Berlin, to the Brandenburg Gate? What is your message? Was ist deine Message hier an das Brandenburg Gate, an alle, die heute zuschauen?
Please help. Don't be silent. Every minute of silence leads to bloodshed of innocent people. Today this war is at my home, but tomorrow, who knows where it will be? We don't know. Let's prove together that human life and freedom is the highest treasure. Slava Ukraini! Героям слава!
Jamala, vielen Dank. Thank you so much for your message.
Ні слава, ні воля, ще нам, браття українці, усміхнеться доля, згинуть наші вороженьки, як роса на сонці, запануємо ми, браття, у своїй сторонці, душі тіла ми положимо роду души тела мы положим за нашу свободу и покажем, що ми браття козацького роду. Слава Україні!
Jamala, thank you so much for joining us. We wish you all the best. And this applause is for you!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us, Jamala. I hope you can hear us. All the best for you.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also sie hat gerade gesagt, Frieden ist der höchste Schatz, den wir bewahren sollen.